Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Hey girl, hey. Hey citizens, how y'all doing today? Guys, we are back and we are back with an unboxing video. Yes, I am super excited for this video. Like all my videos, I'm always so excited. Yeah, so this unboxing, guys, I've been talking about doing this. So if you've been rocking with me for a while, you've been watching my Cartier journey, you would know exactly what I'm getting ready to unbox without me saying anything. So a couple weeks ago, I went to take care of that Louis Vuitton stuff. Got that out the way, and while I was in King of Prussia Mall, I just slid into Cartier. I just slid right into Cartier and made me a cute little purchase. So without further ado, without rambling, let's just get right into this unboxing. All right, here it is. Yesterday it came in. Guys, I had to sign in show photo ID for this package, okay? It must be something new. I don't ever remember photo ID, but this is my first time getting Cartier in the mail. I always bought, all my purchases actually came out of the boutique. So when I went, I tried it on, and they didn't have my size. So I just tried on a different item, same item, just a different metal, and they just placed my order like that. And it took maybe about 4 days for it to come in the mail. So this is going to be a short and sweet video. So I'm going to just get right into it. Like I said, it came yesterday. I didn't open it. It was late in the afternoon. So I figured first thing in the morning, let me just get this package open. So let's get all this off and get right into this package. I definitely wanted to open it yesterday because, you know, you have to check this stuff. And I always wonder how Cartier package their jewelry. So we're about to find out. So I love the way Van Cleef do it. So, but she said everything should be in here. The certificate. When I left the store, I only left with the receipt. All right. Okay, this is another receipt. All right. And I have a new essay at Cartier. Let's get a quick thumbnail. All right, let's see. Oh, come in a white box. Let me take this off and then do the thumbnail. Now I'm going to do the thumbnail. Thumbnail. My husband loves when I do the thumbnails. All right, so come in this white package. First time for the Cartier delivery. So it has little things to pull it, but oh, is it a magnetized box or do it just slide out? Okay, it just slides out. I'm struggling over here. Okay, slides out. Then it has some Cartier tissue paper. Nice. Then they give you a bag, which is nice. The Cartier bag. And my certificate is in here. With the date of purchase, yada, yada, yada. All right. Comes with a cleaning kit And I actually got a cleaning kit when I was in the store. And I'll tell you about that once I unbox everything. So it's a cleaning kit. Comes with the solution, a very soft brush, and a cleaning cloth. And then just a little booklet with instructions. And then it's in here with all this tissue paper, like confetti tissue paper. And here is the box, guys, with the beautiful wax stamp on both sides. We love the wax stamp, don't we? We love a wax stamp. All right, let's just get it open. Let's see if I can do it so I can unbox it again, maybe on my TikTok. Here it is in a beautiful box, a Cartier. And then just opens like this. And y'all know it comes like this. Slide the box out. I don't think I will ever get tired of unboxing videos. I love these videos. And I'll watch them over and over and over. I just love them. I just love to watch the package being opened, everything. So I'm going to look at it first and then I'll show you guys. So you already know it's a small box. We usually come in these small boxes. Earrings, a ring, too small for a bracelet. Oh, there it is. So beautiful. So now I'm going to do the reveal for you guys. Ta-da! Here it is. It is the Juste Un Clou with the diamonds in the regular size. Beautiful, and I love it. So y'all know I had the Juste Un Clou, the small version without the diamonds. So I decided I wanted to match my bracelet, so I just basically upgraded myself. So let's just take it out of here. And this is in 18 karat gold. Get it nice and snug in here. There we go. This is 18 karat gold with the diamonds. So I got it to fit my middle finger so I can stack it with my love ring. Just like I had with the small. And it comes with a little tag on it. I guess when it comes online, if you want to exchange or return it, you must leave this tag on there. But it fits perfect. It stacks well. I love it. And I can also wear it. It's so shiny. I don't even know if the camera's doing it any justice. I can wear it on my pointer finger as well. It's a little loose, but it won't just slide off. But I can wear it on my pointer finger. But I like to wear mine stacked with my love band. I just love the way it looks. And it matches my bracelet. So beautiful. I love it. It is perfect. And I think I got this in a size 50. Let me see if it's on here. I don't know if they put, I can't remember if they put the size on the certificate. No, it's not on there. Let me see if it's on this receipt, this paper receipt. I don't know because it doesn't say, it doesn't have the price on here or anything. No, it's just a package. It just, so I cannot remember. I'm going to look on my original receipt and I will just put it right here on the screen. But I think, I'm pretty sure this is a 50. I think. I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, I'll just put it right here on the screen once I find out the size and it fits both of my fingers. I didn't want it too snug, too tight, because in the summertime my fingers do swell. So this fits so perfect. I love it. So what I did with my small version, when I went to the store to purchase this, I told my SA that I wanted to re-gift it. So I had it cleaned, repackaged, and I gifted it to my daughter, and she loves it. Along with the bracelet, I gifted my thinner bracelet because I know somebody asked me if I was interested in selling it. But no, I just decided not to sell it and then just pass it down to my daughter. So she's really not a gold tone girl. She likes white gold and silver. But I told her I think it'll look cute with the jewelry she already have. The white gold, you can stack it some days if you just want to wear something gold. It will look so cute. And the way she wears it, it looks fabulous. And she's very petite, so it fits her just perfect. Yes. So this is it, guys. My new Cartier Juste Un Clou with the diamonds. So, so cute. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Yes, and I just love it. I don't know why I didn't go for this one the very first time, but it's okay because I was able to gift it to my daughter, and she loves it just as much as I do. And it was in excellent condition, and they reboxed it, bagged it up, gave me a cleaning kit for her as well. So, and she loved it, and it was a perfect gift, a just because gift, and a just because gift for me. Yes, sometimes you just have to pull the trigger on something that you want. Yeah, so I love it, and I'm not done. I always say I think I'm done with Cartier. No, I'm not. I think my next purchase is going to be the Pave Love Ring. Yes. So that is it, guys. That was short and sweet for this Cartier unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about my stack, my new ring stack. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can drop it down in the comments. Let's chit chat in the comments. Till next time, Syd signing off. Peace. I think that's it.